Hey everyone, welcome back to Rimmel London's YouTube channel. My name is Lina Bugs, and today I'm going to be bringing you this out of this world look. If you want to know how to get this look done, then just keep on watching. So first things first, we're gonna start off with the Rimmel London's Exaggerate Waterproof Eye Definer. So I love this mechanical liner. We're going to kind of just create a shape over one eye. It's gonna be like a cloudy, cosmic kind of shape, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just gonna freehand this, and I'm gonna take it from like my center part basically, and just go around this eye. So you're just gonna create any shape that you want. This way you can cover any pimples, you can, hide whatever you want. This side is gonna be all covered up with some eyeshadow, so keep that in mind. So I'm gonna be using a variety of different palettes, but first I'm gonna go in with the Magnifies Electric Violet Edition. This palette has the black shade that I need to kind of start the cosmic look going. So I'm just gonna be patting in some black around the edges of this liner and blending it out really seamlessly. So it's gonna be really messy. There's no rhyme or reason to it. You're just kind of going for a starry at night sky kind of look. So for the remaining shades, I'm gonna be using the Magnifies Rainbow Edition palette. So I'm gonna start off with the pink shade in the palette and start blending it into the black shade. So the pigment in this palette is super nice. As you can see, the pink shows up really opaque right off the bat. Now I'm gonna go in with a bit of purple and blend it into the pink shade, and then a little bit of blue into the purple, and it'll create a really cool gradient. Now I'm gonna be taking that purple shade that I used in the Galaxy side of my face and apply that into my crease, kind of like a transition shade. So I love these palettes because they are so affordable. They are $8, so that is literally under $1 per shadow. It's pretty amazing. It's the price of your coffee and a bagel in the morning. You just give it up for one day and you can have a super colorful palette. So I'm gonna take that black shade from the Electric Violet Edition and just smoke out the eye by applying it on the lid and the crease. So I'm gonna be taking this bright blue shadow from the Rainbow Edition palette, and I'm going to be using it to blend in the crease of my eye look. So to create the twinkly stars, I'm going to be using the Wonder Swipe eyeliners in the shade Yes, Crave Me, and My Bae. So with Crave Me, I'm gonna be creating little star-like dots, and then with Yes and My Bae, I'm going to be drawing little twinkly stars like I did in my inner corner. And to finish off with the Wonder Swipe in Yas, I'm gonna draw 3 little stars underneath this eye to tie the whole celestial look together. And to top off this look, I'm going to be using a shimmer shade in the Electric Violet Edition palette as a highlighter. I'm just going to be adding a little bit to the tip of my nose, center of my chin, and my cheekbone. For lips, I'm going to be using the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in Urban Affairs. And to top off this lip look, I'm going to be applying the Stay Glossy in Halo there. And to keep my stars shining but my skin matte, I'm going to be using the Stay Matte Fix and Go setting spray. We're going to add a little bit more sparkle off camera, and I'll be right back with the finished look. So the stars have aligned to bring you guys this finished look. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to Rimmel London's YouTube channel down below, and while you're down there, check out the description for all the products that I used today. You can find me at Lina Bugs on Instagram and YouTube, and don't forget to stay spooky, everyone. Bye.